Hello and welcome to my cooking channel. Yeah, it's a foodie. On today's episode, I'm going to be making one of my favorite things to eat, which is chicken wings. Let's get started. Right here, I have my already washed chicken wings. I usually love to wash my wings in water and lemon. Sometimes I use vinegar, salt, and water. And then I use a paper towel to pat it dry. To spice up my wings, I have some salt, all pepper seasoning, chicken bouillon, paprika, black pepper, ginger and onion powder. I also added some garlic salt. Now add in all your spices and make sure to mix them well so that every part of the chicken is well coated. And then you can leave it for about 30 minutes to marinate, or you can just go ahead and put it in the air fryer. Today I'm going to be using the air fryer. You can also bake your wings in the oven or deep fry them. So today for my heat, I am going to be using the mango habanero sauce, but to tone that a little bit, I'm going to add the sweet and sour sauce together with it. I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. As you can see, I'm mixing it nicely under low heat. That's because I don't want this to burn. Wow, our wings are ready. I actually air fried these wings under 22 minutes. So I tossed them into the sauce and I'm just stirring religiously so that every part of those chicken wings are well coated with the sauce. I'm healing, yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling, all because of you. There you have it, our mango habanero and sweet sour sauce chicken wings is ready to serve. I garnished it with some parsley flakes, and you can eat this with ranch or any kind of sauce that you like. And also I ate this with fries and it was so good. Thank you for watching, and until my next video, stay blessed and bye for now.